Hello everyone, this is NAI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create a duotone effect in Affinity Pixel Studio, formerly known as Affinity Photo. A duotone is an effect where an image or composition is displayed in two colors, one for the lighter colors and one for the darker colors. Alright, so first we go to Adjustments and we select Gradient Map. So by default we are going to have three colors. So we select the node in the middle and we click on Delete. So now we have only two colors remaining. So the node on the left is going to be for the darker tones. So we are going to set it to a dark shade of blue. And the node on the right is going to be for the lighter colors. So we're going to set it to a light yellow. Also, we can experiment with other colors to see what looks good. Alright, so now we can try the effect with your own photos. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a duotone effect in Affinity Pixel Studio. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!